Hello guys, what is going on? Techroomuk here. So for today's video we have yet another product from Divoom. This is called the Timesframe. Right here, this is how it looks. Basically it's a pixel display HD screen, obviously, that will complement the look and the aesthetics of your setup. You can display all sorts of stuff on it. I will show you guys once we get to that part, but for now let's have a look around the box. So this is how it looks, like that. We have a 10.1 inch HD screen, support for photos and video transfer, stores up to 350k images, 200 plus practical dials, and online pixel alt gallery with their Divoom app. Then if we have a look on the back, we have basically some more specs. So HD transparent floating screen and cyber lighting effects, mobile photo and video transfer, 200 plus dynamic dial display, time, social, finance and more, pixel art creation, online art pixel gallery, and timers, alarm, countdowns, and much more. So yeah, basically that's it with the box. Let's go ahead and open it. I'm gonna show you guys what you get inside, and after that we're gonna put it to the test. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so after opening the box, this is pretty much what we get. As always, we will start with the small stuff first. So we have an instruction manual right here. It has pictures and it will tell you everything you need to know about the display, how to connect it, how to use it. Pretty simple setup, by the way, but I still suggest you give this a read. It will only take 5 minutes and you can learn how to use the Timesframe at its max potential. They included a microfiber cloth so you can wipe the display, and we have a braided USB Type A to USB Type C cable to power the device, obviously, and pretty much that's it in terms of accessories. This is the Timesframe. This is how it looks. So if we stand it up, basically this will be its position right here. Stand it up, it will look like this. On the back we have the same display, but I'm not sure if the back display works. I will have to test that out, but I'm pretty sure this is the front. On the side right here we have some buttons and some dials. So right here we have brightness, then we have apps, this one right here, a back button, settings button, and on the back just right here we have the USB Type-C port, obviously used for the device being powered with this USB Type-C cable that they included. And pretty much that's it in terms of accessories. I really like the design. The design, it's really cool, really futuristic, kind of a cyberpunk theme. We even have this on the side, which I think it's RGB as well. Right here, I don't know if you guys can see, but it says Timeframe. You'll be able to see once it's powered on. And yeah, pretty much that's it. Let's go ahead and power everything up, and I will show you guys how everything looks like. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so this is how the timescale looks like when it's fully set up. To set it up was pretty simple. All you have to do is plug it in, then you go to the Divoom app, put in your Wi-Fi and your password, and that's it. You're ready to go. It literally takes like 1 minute. And this is one of the faces you can get. So basically you have stocks, you have news, crypto, calendar, the time, the date, weather, days to Christmas, which I think it's really cool. We even have a Christmas tree gift. And you can choose from a lot of faces. For example, let's have this Christmas one right here. All you have to do is just click on it. Once you click on it, that's it, it's ready to go. As you can see, you have the time right here, you have a countdown, and you have the current date. This is the RGB on the side. You can change it, you can change everything within the app. You can go onto device right here and go to settings, and then you can change the light effect, you can change the color mode, you can basically change anything, the brightness. Also, if you want to adjust the brightness, you can always use the dial, just like so. but let's have it at full brightness for now, just for demo purposes. Then we have some community stuff in the gallery. For example, let's click this Christmas duck. We'll just display it, which I think it's really cool. Basically, you can create your own pixel art, maybe something for Christmas, and you can display it on your window, on your PC. It's really cool. So yeah, pretty much that's it with the device. Simple to use. It looks great. I love the faces. They have some really great pre-made faces. This is another one. And if you guys want to buy it, I will have a link in the video description down below. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.